Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to Getting Ready for Sixth Grade Lesson 20, Analyze Histograms. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. The objective of today's lesson is to analyze data in a histogram. Please pause to write the objective in your notebook. Today's lesson is on histograms. It continues the lesson that we started yesterday. Remember that histograms are graphs that show intervals of data in a bar graph. Today we're going to analyze them, and that means that now that we've created them, we're going to look at them and make some meaning out of it, analyzing the information. So it says, a histogram shows the number of items sold at a garage sale within the price range. So it says we have prices along here on the bottom, and we have number of items sold on the y-axis. Let's look at the first couple questions and analyze the data. It says, find the interval labeled $6 to $10. Okay, so $6 to $10 is right here. Find the frequency. Okay, that means how tall the bar graph is. It goes to 8. The bar for 6 to 10 shows that 8 items were sold. So 8 items were sold, and the average cost was somewhere between $10 and $6. Let's try this again. How many items were sold in the $16 to $25 range? So up here, look, 16 to 20. And we need 21 to 25 because it says 16 to 25, so we need both. So it says find the frequencies labeled 16 to 20 and 20 to 25. Got that. Now it says the bar graph from 16 to 20 shows, okay, we need to see how high our graph goes. It goes here between 6 and 8. We know that is 7. And the other one goes right here to 2. And if we are going to find the total, then we need to add them together. So 7 plus 2 equals 9. So in the $16 to $25 range, 9 items were sold. Great job so far. This was a short lesson, but we'll continue it tomorrow in class. Great job, fifth graders.